coming down. The flags are up. Who's gonna be number one? Who's gonna take out the cup? Who will be? Who'll be the king? It's a once in a lifetime chance to rule the world. Gotta see who rules the world. The world is coming down. The flags are up. Who's gonna be number one? Who's gonna take out the cup? Who will be? Who'll be the king? It's a once in a lifetime chance to rule the world. Gotta see who rules the world. The world is coming down. The flags are up. Who's gonna be number one? Who's gonna take out the cup? Who will be? Who'll be the king? It's a once in a lifetime chance to rule the world. Gotta see who rules the world. The world is coming down. The flags are up. Who's gonna be number one? Who's gonna take out the cup?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the presentation ceremony of 6th Sharqiya Corporate Clinic 2011, which has been played during October to December 2011 at GCC campus grounds, Half Moon Bridge, Dammam. Gentlemen, this tournament has brought a lot of heat and extravaganza in this winter season, and we have witnessed some good and entertaining cricket from all the teams. My heartiest congratulations to GCC Power Chargers, the victorious team that has brilliantly performed against French 11 runner team in today's final. First of all, I would like to introduce the presentation party. Mr. Mohammed from GCC. Mr. Nadeem Ashraf, Marketing and Media Manager, SCC. And Mr. Shan Bahadur Khan, MD, SSC.
Everybody know I'm nodding.
Thanks all gentlemen for your presence. We would like to thank the organizer, Sharqiya Cricket Club, especially Managing Director, Engineer Shan Bahadur Khan, for organizing such an outstanding tournament and putting up some spectacular matches and entertaining cricket. We would also like to thank all the sponsors who have supported us in making this event a grand success. We would especially like to thank Mr. Muhammad Al Khafashat from GCC, who really worked hard in organizing this tournament and making it in a positive manner. Now let's start off with the entire presentation ceremony. The sponsorship awards. We would like to give away sponsorship awards for their great services to this tournament. It is great honor and pride for Sharqiya Cricket Club to have these sponsors. Now I would like to request Mr. Shan Bahadur Khan to distribute this awards. First award for ground sponsor is GCC Gulf Consolidated Contracting Company. May I request Mr. Khafashat from GCC to receive the award. The next award for sponsor who made the hat-trick providing the juices to the club, very famous, Rayan Juices Corporation. Thank you very much. The next award is to the President of GCC, Mr. Walid Abu Bashir, for his kind support to Shargia Cricket Club. May I request the representative of GCC to receive the award on his behalf. Thank you very much, Engineer Shyam, for giving the awards. The next is the Umpire Awards. SCC is proud to introduce the paid umpires facility from this tournament. Our objective was to provide professional and neutral umpires from all aspects. Therefore, we would like to honor the umpires for their great services to the tournament. I would like to request Mr. Nadeem Ashraf to present the check of rupees Saudi Riyal 1,500 from Shargia Cricket Club for each panel. Mr. Kashif Gumba, Mr. Abid Naimi, Mr. Saif Faisal Ali. Good inspiring. Now the second panel of umpires, Mr. Rahman Munawar, Mr. Imran Khan and Mr. Shan Khan. Please come and receive Saudi Riyal 1,500. The next awards are the honorary awards. Honorary awards are for the people who really worked hard to bring this tournament a huge success. I would like to request Mr. Shan to give up these awards. The first award for Best Supportive Sponsor, Mr. Mohammad Al-Khafashar from GCC. And the next award for pavilion sponsors, Bhatkal Trading Corporation and Filmar Advertising Agency. The next award is for Shargia Master Blaster, the batsman who hit the most sixes in the tournament. In fact, 24 sixes in the tournament. Mr. Rehan Munawar from
no problem, your voice better high, you know. There's nobody will wake up here.
The next award is for the best team of the tournament, which has been selected for overall discipline, performance, enthusiasm and statistics. And the award goes to Saudi Ojar. Now for the man of the match awards for semi-finals and final. First semi-final for well-constructed half century and 1 wicket, Mr. Ali Raza from first place. For the second semi-final, power with speed and aggression with fire, excellent spell of grabbing 3 wickets by giving 11 runs, Mohammad Ilyas from GCC.
Ismail Assam, what can you say?
And for today's final as well, Mr. Ilyas, you have to come again to receive. Now the big awards for best batsman, bowler and player. I would like to request Mr. Al-Khamsat to come up and give up this award. The first award for the best batsman of the tournament goes to Mr. Rehan Munawar from Z Force. Mr. Rehan, would you like to share some more words? First of all, many congratulations on winning this tournament. 348 runs with average of 49.711. What was in your mind before the start of the tournament?
Actually, when the tournament starts, I try my best to get this award. So, alhamdulillah, now I'm here.
You played magnificent innings throughout the tournament, including 2 centuries.
So, I try my best to make a century or a best century against Sri Lanka. Alhamdulillah, get this award I'm here.
What are your plans for the future matches?
We'll see.
Which bowler gave you a hard time, to be honest?
Always good.
Always good. Did you enjoy the tournament?
Yes, sure.
Alright, wish you best of luck for your next match. The next award is for the best bowler of the tournament, and the award goes to Mr. Salman Ali Khan from Z Force for his outstanding bowling throughout the tournament. On behalf of Salman, you will be receiving your award. मैं बोलेंगे